How you guys doing? This is Tino from my PC Networking, and today I'm going to show you a little tutorial how to create a bootable USB with the new Yosemite operating system. The things that you're going to use is a terminal. You're going to use this utility, and you're going to use an 8 GB USB. I have a 32 GB USB. It's actually 31.7. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this USB for the tutorial, and I'm going to create 4 or maybe 5 different partitions. Okay, so to start with this, the first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna open this utility. So to do that, you can go to your applications on the little rocket right here. So you're gonna find this utility, and your USB, like mine is almost 32 gigabytes. This is 31.01. So the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna erase it. Just make sure that you select Mac OS Journal. Obviously, this is gonna erase everything from your device, but this is where you gonna be booting. So once they finish erasing everything, for this it's gonna take a little while. Now, on the meantime, what you can do, you can go and actually download your operating system. In this case, the Yosemite. So to do that, you can go to the App Store, and if you see right here is the Yosemite software, you can click on updates. It's a free software, so you can download it. This is gonna take like 30 to 45 minutes, depends on your internet speed. Alright, so this thing is almost finishing, and just make sure that you select Mac OS Extender, Mac OS Extender Journal. Okay, so that finished. So what you have to pick just one partition. If you have a 8 GB USB, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create 4, because like I told you, my USB is bigger. So for the first one, this is the one that I want with the Yosemite software. So I'm gonna put Yosemite right here, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put 8 gigabytes in this. So remember, there has to be at least 8 GB. And then for the second one, I'm gonna use for Mavericks. So in this one, I'm gonna put 8 GB also. Now the third one, I'm gonna use Mountain Lion. So remember that I want to do this so that I have all my operating system in one. And for the last one, I'm gonna use for extras. This one you can use it for storage, and this one you don't need to modify the space because of it. You only have 7.0.1. Once that you did all this for all these operating systems, these names, like in your case, it's gonna appear just one because you're gonna pick just one. Make sure that you select GUI right here on the options, and you're gonna click OK, because if you don't select that, you're not gonna be able to do the USB bootable. So like I told you, yours is gonna be just one partition. I'm creating 4 partitions because my USB is bigger. So make sure that you just select one right here, and after that you're just gonna click apply, and with this it's gonna erase the whole thing. Okay, so I'm gonna click it, and I'm gonna create the partition. So if you see in this side right here, they're gonna start appearing like kind of like if I'm connected more USBs. So it's gonna be like 4 or 5 probably. This is gonna take just a little bit. It's take like 2 or 3 minutes, even sometimes 5 minutes. If you get bored, you can just fast forward the video. It's almost finished. So once that is finished, you see I have all the partitions right here. It's kind of like I have 5 USBs. So once that you finish this, we're gonna go to restore, and if you see in this side, Yosemite is the one that I create. So for this one, you're gonna click and drag, and you're gonna select like your destination, and from the source, the image that you're gonna pick is gonna be one similar to this over here. But the way that you're gonna get it, you remember that I told you to download the Yosemite software. So you're gonna go to your applications. Once that you're on the applications, you're gonna find the software right here. You're gonna do right click. You're gonna click show package and contents. Click again in contents, and you're gonna find this one right here. Yes, and if you see right here is the install DMG. So you're gonna do double click in this, and right here it has I believe for like 3 different files that they are hiding. So for these files, and the way that we're gonna get it back, I'm gonna put some codes on the description, something that you need to type. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use terminal. So let's type terminal right here on search. You're gonna open terminal. Once that you have terminal, like I told you, this is on the description. I have it in my notes to make it easy for you guys, and also to make it short for this video. So the only thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy this. You can do the same thing, copy from the description. I have this one on the top that is true to show the files, and I have this one on the bottom to make it false, so that highlight everything. I mean hides everything from the software. So I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna go to the terminal. I'm gonna paste this right here, and you're gonna see. You see how quick they appear right here on the top. These 3 files. But from these 3 that we have right here, we just really need one, and this is the base system, the DMG. That's the only one that we're gonna use, and this is gonna be our source. So we're gonna drag it in here, and then we can actually just make sure that you put it in your software, in your Yosemite software, if you put that name. So remember, destination is the Yosemite or your USB, the one that we use format, and for the source is the top one. So we're gonna click erase, and it's gonna tell you, okay, you know, you're gonna lose all data, whatever you have inside. You're gonna click OK. It's gonna ask you for your password. You just type your password, click OK. So this is gonna take a couple of minutes. So what I'm gonna do, for me it's gonna take a little while, but for you it's gonna be fast because I'm gonna forward the video to make it shorter for you. Okay, I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, so also once that I finish erasing or restoring actually the DMG, what you're gonna notice, a window is gonna pop with the files from the Yosemite software. So it's gonna take just a little bit, and here you go, the window just appeared. So right here, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to the system, you're gonna click on the system, and then you're gonna click on installation. And right here you have packages. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna move this to the trash. You're gonna erase those packages, and you're gonna drag the actual package, the packages from the window that we have open in this side right here. So once that you drag the packages, this is gonna be about 4 gigs. So if you see right here, it's 4 point something. So this is gonna take a little while. So again, I'm gonna fast forward the video and to make it shorter for you. Okay, so in the meantime, I create 4 or 5 different partitions just to show you that you can put 4 or 5 different operating systems in one USB. Depends how big you have it. So this is gonna take just a little bit, and we have it here. We finish. So we're gonna close all these windows, and then if you see right here, we have still 3 files that they are showing. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna hide it back just to make sure that you don't erase something in your computer. And to do this, we're gonna go to the description, and you're gonna select the bottom code, the bottom stuff that you need to type. So you're gonna copy it, and you're gonna paste it again into terminal and click enter. So that's gonna hide everything again. If you see right here, just hide everything. We just hide the packages again. And this is all the folders for the install of the Yosemite software. So we can close that. So with this, like in my case, I'm creating 4 or 5 different operating systems, because I want to create different partitions in my hard drive so I can use Mountain Lion, Mavericks, or whatever I want. I hope this video helped you. Please comment and subscribe. I'm just trying to help you. Alright, take care. Bye bye.